ukushova nayo 2 minutes njalo 2 minutes 2 minutes njalo 2 minutes zukila yini njalo ngasabi 2 minutes oh minyi luka zukila yini 2 minutes
5 seconds
2 minutes njalo
mngani wami isikhathi sakho 5 minutes
zukila yini njalo I understand woza ngayi I understand
kama kamera ungawamani
sure ne yeah
content yethu
ungamayife le njalo yi yangithola shuthi kumpeke khona imibuzo esifuna ukubuyisa yona njalo embalwa nje ngithola how often do you talk to girls
Once a week.
once a week so please can you rate your raise out of 10
Anayibaka no.
asibakho rate your raise out of 10 translate ngesizulu oh yeah rate your raise out of 10
Sure.
yeah yazi company we are here to fix that nenja yami ngithola so lungisa nje isikele ekuku uva kuku ekuku ngicozekile mamela nje ungathuki khuluma naye nje cut
Amapotres, ukuxhuma hips.
uva black no so nani lapho njalo ukubuza imibuzo embalwa njalo embalwa kamba oh na ukoda awukoda
Yewena.
imibuzo kuphela ngabo cherry
Yewena bastard.
ngabo cherry kuphela you understand how often do you talk to girls Imajam. Sugila yini jam. Akate.
Go me. And I don't wanna love and you know why. See, I don't wanna love and you know why. Shower uvalo.
On mavesi abafuna siyayehla siyanyuka amadola abuhlungu amapotrisi abuhlungu ya nanga lusisi ukhala ngama-hips kusabuhlungu alright ntwana yami Ukraine ntwana yami yizo nja yami alright
Good. Isikhathi sakho siyeza mfethu. Wena mfethu Paulus una-relax njaya.
Sunday. Asiye please. Yeah. So yeah. Sunday la njaya. You understand? So yeah. Sorry. Stokdlula. Uva. Khotman. Ikren makhotman. Tolo kukubuza one thing. Ngabo cherry kuphela nje ngicozukile. Ngabo ngicozukile yini? Kawungamfakeli ubushimane nje. Zikila nje. Yangithola.
Funa nje ukubuza about nje abantu.
Yangithola. Zikila bomma ngayi Khotman. You understand? So yeah. Zikila. Uva kuku.
Babuza bo. Ungasabi so babuza bo.
Ima yini nje.